How to find your comment on Reddit post. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to find a comment on your Reddit post. So if you find this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. So without further ado, let's get started. It's a simple and quick method that everyone can follow. To get started, all you need to do is open your Reddit application and make sure to log in into your account if you haven't done so already. After logging in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You will see a small icon or your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on it, you will see the profile option. Simply click it and you will be directed to your profile page. From there, find the option labeled comments. When you click on comments, you will be able to see a complete list of all the comments you have made across the platform. It's a great way to keep track of your discussions and see what you have contributed to the community. So this is how you can find your comment on Reddit post. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch until the end, and I really appreciate your support. I hope this information helps you navigate Reddit more easily. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.